Yo, what's going on, people mods, aka It Hurts, aka It Stings, aka Jamie. What's up? I wanted to show you today how to make your own Google Chrome theme, as well as like YouTube channel art and stuff. First thing you want to do is have some kind of program like Photoshop. If you don't, check out Pixlr. Pixlr is a great free online editor. Then you want to come through and, find whatever image you want to use as a background or even a starting background. I'm going to go ahead and use this one as my starting background. You also want to download Google Chrome Theme Maker. So it looks something like this. That's not it. Hold on. Right here. You can either add it as an extension to your browser or you just visit the website. So Theme Creator. And I'm going to go in Photoshop. Now you guys got to give me a little slack because I'm using my mouse on my knee. So alright, so I don't like the color of that blue background, so I'm just going to go ahead and change that up a little bit. Which is good. Okay, now I'm going to go and find another picture that I can add in there with it. Now, if you guys ever need one made, let me know. But it's like most of the time, stuff you need is like channel art and stuff. I'll do your channel art for free. Any subscriber of mine gets free channel art or intros. I hook it up. All you gotta do is take a look at mine and see that I'm semi alright with Photoshop. Been doing it for many years. Just trying to find something to put in there with this one. Here, let's actually go ahead and hit View More. Trying to find something that I could throw in there with that. We could do something like that, or you know what? I got an idea here. Now what I'm going to do is throw it over that and then like do a transparent layer so it looks, let's see. Okay. First thing I want to do is go ahead and crop it. Copy it, paste it, size it. Now you never want to leave your edges like that, even though they don't show up. They can mess up like bevels or filters you put on there. It's a small photo to start with. After I do this layer, I'm just going to make the image a little bit bigger. Okay, so what you do is that, come over here to layers, go ahead and do opacity, bring that down some. What do you think? Yeah, that was good. Then I'm just going to merge them. Then I'm going to come to image, hit that resize. Image size, constraint proportions is fine, but what you want is something like 1900. There you go. Boom. You see a big difference. Alright. Oh, did they really put like a photo? Alright, see how they put a watermark in this thing? I got you. So what you do is you do like a clone stamp right here. Make sure your opacity's up. Make it a little bit bigger. And then we're going to come here. know what I'm saying? Boy, he's cool. That one might not be as perfect, but hey, nobody can really see it. Yeah, I need to do that for sure. Alright, so that's done. Now I can either put text in there or just see if I have anything to add to it. If I find something amazing, I'll throw it in there. If not, we'll just add some text and we finish with it. And this is basically the same thing you would do for channel art. You just have to upload the right size channel art or know where things are positioned. Alright, I'm just going to stay with what that is, and I'm going to make it my background. Go ahead and put some text in there. That's my username. Let's pick us a font real quick. Sorry, these damn things like on the side of them. Man, I did that back. And if anybody out there is like, new to Photoshop or looking to get one, get Elements. I'm serious. Some of the other ones are very, very in-depth and complicated. This one you can do a lot with, yet simple. Alright, usually when I do this, come over to Effects. I'll come down to like a plastic. I think a green would look good in there. Let's try it. Now after you do that, you hit this little settings switch right here. Damn mouse. And usually I'll come down, what I'll do is put these up, so get them to the bottom. I'll go ahead and I'll add a stroke to it, see what I mean. And alright, now what I'm going to do is just merge layers. And just see if any filters make this thing look alright. Of course that one wouldn't, but I guess class ain't bad, but it makes the this one's crazy. It makes you could still see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cancel that. And I'm going to go ahead and just make sure my color is where I want it with everything. I always do that just in case at the end there's like one that just makes it pop a lot better. I see I gotta go back in there and get rid of that. Those watermarks. I didn't realize they were still there. Right in the middle, so let's go ahead and do that real quick. I should have seen that there was watermarks in them in the first place, but this one's gonna be tricky. Now even though I did that, I can fix that here in a second. Alright, so what I'm going to do... Alright, and the last thing I usually do is go ahead and throw a bevel on the whole thing, just to make it look different this one. And just always hit the wrench. Make the bevel a little bit bigger or smaller. Alright, and I'm going to pause this while I save it to my downloads, because, you know, opening file folders, you could see something that I wouldn't want people to see. Right. Alright, so I saved it to my folder, and all I've done so far is upload an image. Now I'm going to give it a name. Alright, now we're going to generate colors. Here. So the status bar, I'll just play around with it and get it to where. Okay, so it's there. Tab bar up top. That would be red. Background text. Do blue. See how it looks. Buttons. Make those red, that's fine. Alright, so images, frame. Okay, so you can choose an image for the outside of the frame. So, choose that one. Back. Okay, so we're good there. And we're going to pack it. All you do is hit pack and install or pack and download. Pack and install. And in a second, my whole theme will change. You'll get a little warning, but just hit continue. You're fine. This thing's safe. And voila. Ready? Let's check it. Let's peep it. Bing! There it is. The messed up part is, like, I didn't check the size, so you can't see my username there. But if I wanted to fix that, I can just open Photoshop. And then what you gotta do is undo apply till where I merge layers. Well, that's gonna be a pain, so I'll just leave it like it is. Alright, so like if I was gonna make you a YouTube art channel, what I would do is I would go to File, Open. And usually what I do is pick one I've made in the past. This is not a good example of my work, but man, we don't have much time left. Let me pause this on. Alright, so I found a theme that is the right size, or not the right size, but I found a theme that I want to use. I'm afraid we're not going to have enough time to finish this. But you'll get the idea as long as I can get to it. Okay, so what you do is do that. Do this. Check it, right? Layers. Then you put your opacity down so you can see what you need to cut out for your middle section. We've got 60 seconds left. So basically you just come in here. Cut out the middle part where it would be on the channel. Edit. Cut, put another image in it, put some text in it, and it's done. Alright, remember, if you need channel art, hit me up. This is one of the bad ones. I don't like that one. But always doing it for subscribers. If you just subscribe, hit that notification bell. Like I said, I do everything on my channel, from a lot of gaming to how-to hacking, how to get PlayStation accounts ready to hack, all kinds of stuff, how to use VPNs, hack tools, bunch of modding videos, all kinds of stuff. So check it out. Thanks for watching. Peace.